In this video, let's focus on the potential of the MetaMask token, which they have announced in case you didn't know it, as well as the Linea, which is coming before the end of August. So we decided we jump straight into the laptop, and the thing I want to talk about is, first of all, the MetaMask token. As we see here, they have announced their MUSDT, which is going to be basically a MetaMask back to the dollar 1-to-1 ratio for everything that it is of their ecosystem. Now, this usually means that a token even for their ecosystem, so the token of MetaMask will eventually come as well as the stablecoin. This is the first procedure. So we're looking at a very good thing. But what is more important is what they do talk about it right here. And as we see here, they say that if you go and look at it, it will be on Ethereum and Linea build, not Arbitrum, not Optimism, none of those other chains on Linea build. Now, with Linea also coming with the airdrop really soon, the token, the checker, and all of that is coming really, really soon, we can see here that they have already released a contract address. And the contract address is this one right here, which I will leave you the link to go and check it down below. And they have already started with 2 transactions. 24 hours ago, they made 2 transactions for the Linea token, which it is this one, the ERC20 Linea right here, with already a max distribution, only 1 holders and 4 total transfer for checking everything. And as we see here, this is where it was created, as we have a look at right here. Now, what does this mean? Well, it means that the Linea airdrop is going to be way bigger than anything that you probably have thought until now, and people told you about it, on Twitter or anything like that. And it is going to be paired with MetaMask. So MetaMask and Linea will go hand in hand. Whether MetaMask will release an airdrop after this one of their own token, or they're going to be focusing on Linea, both of them are going to be absolutely phenomenal in terms of the weight that they carry for the protocol. Quick interruption here. I just want to let you know that I have created a dedicated Telegram page, free to join. The link will be down below for everybody that is into trading and like trading. As we see right here, I do call all of my codes right here. I just posted as well. So come and join me. And if you want, remember that there is a 100% deposit bonus over on Wix, which is a non-KYC exchange. So make sure to come and join it as well and go and deposit $100. You will get $100 bonus to go and trade for free, which is absolutely amazing. Back to the MetaMask situation here. What do I want to emphasize? I want to emphasize that the Linea airdrop, the one that we have yet so far gone and checked the LXP, which by the way, you can already check your LXP token allocation. If you go over to MetaMask right here and you go down to the networks and then you click on the networks, you scroll down and you will go to the Linea mainnet, you can already see your LXP allocation. In case you haven't done it yet, I will leave you the contract address to go and add the LXP token and go and check how much you have. So it's going to be right here. So let's go and simply check it out and simply click over on the Linea one. And we will go and see the Linea. So you can go and see how much your LXP allocation is effectively as of right now. And this one is going to be way bigger than any of the other airdrops that you have seen or the people talked about it that you will receive in the future. Here we got it. This is the Linea LXP, which this one is the contract address, and I will leave a link down below. Not even links, just attach it. So simply once you go to the 3 dots here, import token, and import the Linea token to see your LXP allocation. This is going to be the amount that you will get. Now, this one, people talking about a 10, 20 cent. This is going to be way bigger because the collaboration between MetaMask and Linea is going to be absolutely phenomenal in terms of price wise. Because if Linea goes up, MetaMask benefits from it because of the token. So MetaMask will be behind it. The Linea token will not go down like any other token. Or if it does go down, we will see a sky rise like, for example, Zora airdrop. If you do remember, it went absolutely terrible at the beginning. It simply went straight down from from what it was launched. And then we see it here. Why? Because we got Coinbase backing it, we got everybody backing it behind. And as we see here on the time that is launched, it just went at to 11 cent as of right now, which is absolutely incredible. And this, I have a belief this will happen the same way with the Linea airdrop because MetaMask is behind it and all of the other people are behind Linea. This is what we're gonna get. So once I do receive the Linea airdrop, the MetaMask, this token here is not airdropped, but I'm sure the MetaMask will eventually release a Meta token or a MetaMask token as well as part of their ecosystem, because here is what they start building with. The Linea token right here will do this price action right here. So the Linea token will launch will probably do a little bit bad, will probably go down, and then it will just go up, skyrocketing, because the institution are behind it and they're not gonna allow it to go down to that. So this is my prediction for it. Just be ready for the Linea airdrop because it is going to be absolutely phenomenal. And for everybody that made it until the end, if you also want to go and trade with a prop firm account, I will leave you the link down below. Utilize my code that you find in the description, and it's nice because you can go and trade with a $5,000, a $10,000 account for only $100. So you don't even utilize your $10,000, you utilize simply $100. You get an account and you start trading, which is what I also do, and you've seen it in a few videos. So I will leave the link down below. Prop firm are really cool in my opinion. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below in terms of price action, price prediction, on all of that. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.